And maybe if every miter saw in the United States had one, then we wouldn't have $10 million in fingers go missing. This is a $10 million stick from FastCap. I'm going to make a case why I think that every wood shop should have one of these at every miter saw, and I'm going to show you how to use it. I have been using this thing wrong since I got it, which is why probably I wasn't super impressed with it to begin with, but now I think it's a must for the Smart Wood Shop. I'm Ron Paulk, and this is my Smart Wood Shop. If you want to get a detailed set of plans to build a smart bin, a smart station, any of the accessories that work with the system, or the Smart Wood Shop itself, there is a link in the description of this video down below. This tool is no longer an optional tool or a fun to have funky little thing. I want to keep my fingers away from this blade. I want to keep my cuts clean, and I don't want them flying off. I put this tape here on my fence for doing small work. Certainly I can put my hand out here and then put the blade all the way down and hold it, and good chance that I'll be able to keep it there, but sometimes it'll catch on the teeth of the blade and fly away, or I won't get as good of a cut. But a lot of times I don't have a long piece there to put my hand way away, so I'm back to here wanting to cut a ½ inch piece off of that. And that's where this comes in handy. Using this wrong all the time. I was putting this end out and using the single end this way. But I noticed that when I put my pressure on that, it flexes and it pushes my piece away, and that makes it an inaccurate cut. I figured out how I think it's designed, at least how it works for me. One rubber foot on the material and the other one on the bed of the miter saw, and then this one, or these two on the single end, lock it down there, and I'm able to put pressure on my piece, but it doesn't push it. It actually flexes back this way. I didn't have to wait for the saw blade to stop. It didn't go flying, and I got a very clean cut. And my fingers were never close. I was all the way back over here, and I wasn't holding that side at all. And in case you're wondering, this isn't sponsored. FastCap didn't ask me to do this video. They don't even know that I'm doing this video, and I've had this thing for at least 6-7 years. So it's just, I really have discovered this thing and am excited to tell you about it. And maybe if every miter saw in the United States had one, then we wouldn't have $10 million in fingers go missing. Hey, if you found this video helpful, enjoyable, or if there's anything good about it, then take a second right now to help the algorithm at YouTube by clicking that thumbs up. Mahalo.